Today we're going to talk about types of data, basic statistics, mean, median and mode, variance and standard deviation, and Matplotlib. For analyzing data, it is important to know what type of data we are working with because we might need to use different techniques to deal with different data. We normally come across three types of data: numerical data, categorical data, and ordinal data. Numerical data are just numbers and can be subdivided into two numerical categories: discrete data and continuous data. Discrete data are counted numbers and that are limited to integers. For example, the number of cars passing by or the number of students in a class. Continuous data are measured data that can be any number. For example, the price of an item, the height of a player, or the size of an item. Categorical data are values that cannot be measured against each other. For example, gender or yes/no values or color code. Ordinal data are like categorical data but can be measured up against each other. For example, school grades where A is better than B and so on, or a product rating where 4 stars are better than 3 stars. By knowing the data type of your data source, you will be able to know what technique to use when analyzing them. Now let's review some statistics: mean, median, and mode. Mean, which is also known as average, is the sum of all data points divided by the number of data points. The example shows calculation of mean math score of 10 students using NumPy. Median is the middle value of a dataset when arranged in ascending order. For odd number of data, median is the middle number after sorting. For even number of data, median is the average of the two middle data after sorting. In the example, median is 87 because it is an even set of data and both data in the middle is 87. Mode is the value that occur most frequently in the dataset. In the example, we use the module statistics. Another way to calculate mode is to use stats from SciPy module. This gives the number of count of the mode value as shown in the example. In real world, we deal with huge sets of data. One way to mimic such large set of data is to use random number generator. In the example, we have created a math score of 100 students with a mean value of 60 and a standard deviation of 5. As expected, the calculated mean is 60.31, which is close to 60. We can also increase the dataset to simulate the math score of 10,000 students in an entire city. We also use the Matplotlib and created the histogram using the hist function. In the next lecture, we will discuss more about variance, standard deviation, data distribution, percentiles, and advanced data visualization using Seaborn.